Hello everyone, how to combine first name and last name in Excel using CONCAT and flash fill. So let's start. To first open your Excel and here you can see I have data in first name and last name. So first I'm going to use here CONCAT formula. So I select the cell, use is equal to and type here CONCAT and select the first name, then comma, double quote, add the double quote here, then give the space, again add the double quote and add the comma. Now select the last name, bracket close and enter, and that's it. You can see here the first name and last name is combined with concat function. Select the cell and use the Ctrl C and select the below blank cell and paste the formula, and here you can see the all name here combined in one column. So I select this column, right click on it and click on the insert one column. Now here I show you the second method, flash fill. Select the cell and type your first name, give space and type your last name. Okay. Then select the cell. With this, select the below blank cell. Then press the shortcut key Ctrl E, and here you can see the all name here combined in column. So that's it. This is the way you can use your concat and flash fill to combine names in Excel. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.